Dear subscribers, we are thrilled to bring you remarkable news from the front lines in Ukraine. In a surprising turn of events, two Russian fighters, riding ATVs, found themselves under unexpected attack by a kamikaze drone deployed by the GRANIT unit of the 72nd Separate Mechanized Brigade. Before delving into the intricacies of this incident, we urge you to subscribe to our daily post channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment to support our video and ensure it reaches a wider audience. According to reports, the armed forces of Ukraine have showcased this event through footage captured by two drones, one serving as an observer and the other, the kamikaze drone itself. The video commences with the kamikaze drone encircling its target, swiftly delivering a decisive blow to the rear of a Russian ATV. Subsequent footage from the drone provides a close-up view of its approach to the target, abruptly interrupted at the moment of explosion. We are keen to hear your perspectives on this development. Share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for regular updates on the latest developments. Thank you for your continued support.